Okay, this is what I was trying to mention on my first video. The first video I did about the 3-drawer pack out. What I did to the cart, 2-wheel cart or dolly. I did this with wood, and I painted it, and it came out nice. So what I did here is I put some little rubber thingies to kind of push it to the back and make it more stiff. But honestly, I don't think that it really needs that. Let me see if I can remove that. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Oh shit. Okay, then I need to find something. Just give me a second here. Okay, I was able to remove these. So now it's kind of loose, but still doesn't come out. Doesn't come out. I just pushed this to make it go in there. If I would have left this piece right here a little longer, maybe it would have been like more close to the top, and it would have been perfect. But I didn't do that, so it's kind of flimsy right there. But doesn't really matter. If I put these things right there, it won't move. I'll put this on the other side later. I think it came out pretty good. Now if it jumps or something, knives won't come out. I can even put some stuff in there, and it will hold everything there pretty good. So I think it came out pretty good.